Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. And today we have a watch unboxing here. Oliver Green. This company reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in presenting this watch on the channel here, and I agreed. So I get to keep this watch, so I'm marking it as a paid promotion. Also, there is a discount code that I'll put in the description, and if you use that discount code, I get a commission for those sales. So let's take a look at this watch here. It looks like they're based in I think I saw Denmark. Yes, Denmark. Watch came over pretty quickly, a few days. Nope. I thought I could save the packaging, but I guess not. So let's just cut this open here. I guess I should use my Swiss Army knife. Oh well. Just use the knife I had in my pocket. Okay, so their claim here is high value for the price. I think this one, I forgot the price. I think it's about 250 bucks maybe, but they offer some watches that are between, I think, 150. I'll leave a link in the description below. I should have wrote down some notes, but I'll have all that stuff for the full presentation video. Okay, so I guess they really like this kind of chrome looking plastic stuff. So they got a manual in there. Okay, so the watch is in here. Yeah, you know, you can customize, you can pick different watch heads and then bracelets and then straps with it. It's kind of like a la carte, I guess. You can pick what you want. So kind of a neat approach there. So I guess that's why these are all in separate packages. I don't know how they know what is what though. There's no labels on these, but anyway. Yeah, let's look at the manual. Kind of reminds me of like space food. Come in these little packages or whatever. I was a big fan of NASA when I was a kid, but I never actually bought any of those dehydrated food packages. Anyway. Alright, so just some directions on how to put this together. Let's zoom in here. Okay, 316L stainless steel. I'm pretty sure I went with a 40 millimeter. I selected the dive watch. It's called the Mare. Oh yeah, so quartz movements too, Miyota 2035, so that ought to be a good movement. I don't know that much about quartz movements, but at least it's Japanese. So 2-year battery life and then 200 meter water resistance. I think I can figure out how to do this stuff here. Yeah, just a quick look at that, the manual there. Alright, so let's get the watch head out of here. Interesting packaging here. Come on. There we go. Alright, so just ticking away there, and it does have some plastic over the crystal. So unidirectional bezel, 120 click. Doesn't feel too bad. The crown is out. Should be in the date. Yep, date setting. So day date, kind of similar. Actually funny, I'm wearing the SKX, so day to date like the SKX here. Nice large indices. I'll set the time later. Let's just screw it down. It feels pretty substantial actually. It's got a good amount of weight to it. Alright, let's check out the bracelet. The one I picked is like a 5-link. Kind of reminds me of the Jubilee in a way. Yeah, there we go. So there's some spare links on here as well, in a quick release bracelet, so that'll be nice to put on and off. I mean, solid links, solid end links, milled clasp. This portion here is stamped, but that's milled right there. I mean, that's decent stuff. Looks to be push pins, so I'll get this sized up later. Set this right there. Check out the NATO strap. I'm assuming it comes with, should come with some spring bars in here. Oh, it's not a needle strap. It's okay. This is even better than a needle strap. Silicone strap here with quick release pins. I don't know why I thought it was a needle strap, but just because it has the directions for a needle strap here. Wherever that was at. Right there, a needle strap. Alright, so let's just put it on the rubber bracelet. We'll get it on the wrist. Silicone strap, and we'll get it on wrist, and then we'll close out the video here. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate the support. We're releasing videos every day now. Let's take the plastic off of this. Yeah, it's a nice engraving on the back here. Let's read what it says. Okay, 20 ATM water resistant sapphire crystal. Alright, well, that answers that. 316L precision steel, designed in Denmark, olive green, Denmark. And there's that movement again, Miota 2305. I'm not sure what all that is. That might be the serial number. And the discount code, I believe, is for 15%. I'll put that information again down in the description. Kind of a neat logo there too. Looks like 2 raindrops or water marks. Yeah, and there's the model again, the Mare. So let's zoom back out. We'll get this on wrist. It's got a decent amount of weight to it. Nope. Probably down to, I could probably get down to the last hole position on my 6.5 inch wrist. A little bit tight. Maybe I'll just leave it there for now. Hopefully there's enough. Yeah, I think I'll be able to get this down small enough for my wrist. So perhaps 36 mil will be a little bit better for my wrist, but I think this looks good too. I don't mind a little bit larger watch if it's a dive watch. So let me know what you guys think of this watch. Let me know if you've heard of this brand before. I have not, so happy that they reached out to me. A mixture of brushed and polished surfaces here. Okay, let's zoom out and then we'll close out the video. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for taking the time and thank you for watching. Alright, so a little addition to the video here. I'm adjusting the time and I noticed that this has the kanji date, so that's really cool. Just for the, not the date, kanji day, I guess I should say. Put that back to the 10th. Yeah, let's keep turning and turning. There we go. So yeah, that's cool. And then I thought I saw some red dates on here. Red days. There we go. Saturday. Must have been Sunday. Yep. Maybe I'll keep it on kanji. I think it's pretty cool looking. Alright, just thought you'd find that interesting. Catch you on the next one.